Hey guys, Charles here and welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Infinix Smart 8. Now Infinix Smart 8 was announced and released in November 2023. So let's get to open the box and we see some of the things that comes in as we dive deep into the features of this phone. So upon opening the box, you are welcome with a brand new Infinix Smart 8 smartphone, and of course you can see how it looks like with Infinix stickers and branding. Then of course this is how the back look like. We're going to get deep into this. When you open the box more, you also get a 10 watts Infinix branded charger, and of course you also get a USB cable. This is type C. You also get a wired earphone that is also brought to you by Infinix. We also get a cover. This is more like plastic. It's a plastic case for your phone. In the box, you also get a SIM ejection tool. Now, looking at the features of this phone, Infinix Smart 8 comes with a 6.6-inch 90Hz punch-hole display. And of course, according to Infinix, they say it is magic ring. This means it has a resolution of 720 by 1612. Infinix Smart 8 also comes with a 5000 milliamps of battery, and of course, like I said, it's has type C charger, which is about 10 watts. The battery is non-removable, and of course, when you come to camera, it's this is dual camera. The back it's 13 megapixel, and of course the front is 8 megapixel. The processor is octa-core gaming processor, and Infinix Smart 8 was released in about two or three types. We have one of 64 GB storage, then there's also another one of 128 GB storage. But of course, looking at the RAM, there is one which is 2 GB RAM, we have 3 GB RAM, and also there is 4 GB RAM. It has an extendable RAM. This phone runs on 2G, 3G, and also 4G. It has a side fingerprint actually mounted right here. So unlike other phones that the fingerprint is normally in the back, this phone comes with a side mounted fingerprint just near the volume rocker. And the color of this phone, Infinix Smart 8, was released in about 4 colors. That is timber black, shiny gold, which of course it's this one. This is shiny gold. There is crystal green, and then we also have the galaxy white. Infinix Smart 8 runs on Android 13, and it has a SIM card slot. This is having dual SIM, so meaning there's a dual nano slot plus also a micro SD slot for your memory card if you want to expand your storage maybe. Infinix Smart 8 is selling for around 300,000 to 350,000 Uganda shilling. So that is between $85 to around $100. So I think that is a budget phone, and considering these features, I think it is a pretty decent phone for that budget, and this is something you probably want to try out. But of course, you probably may not need to be doing with a lot of work. So that is it about the unboxing and quick review. My name is Charles. If this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and let me know your thought in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video.